Our field runner-up is candidate number. Candidate number? Wala sa gusto maging field runner-up. Our fifth runner-up is candidate number 4. Up next, the fourth runner-up. May I call on Sir Benji Vizcaya Isilang to keep the shots for the fourth runner-up. The fourth runner-up is candidate number The fourth runner-up is candidate number 3. We're coming closer to the crowd. Ladies and gentlemen, may I call on Ma'am Herbie Nunez to team massage for the third runner-up. Our third runner-up is candidate number
5.
Our third runner-up is candidate number
5.
Our third runner-up is candidate number 2. Three ladies remain standing on the center stage. Up next is the second runner-up. May I call on Sir Jude Marie TV to present the award. The winner will receive cash, sauce, certificate, and token. Congratulations. Our second runner-up is candidate number
5.
Our second runner-up is candidate number
5.
Our second runner-up is candidate number 5. Now, we are finally down to our juniors. I am going to call the first runner-up first. So it means, unanawagan ang first runner-up. The player which will not be killed will be automatically killed as the new first ever Miss ICCM 2025. Candidates, please step forward at the center stage. Unanawagan ang first runner-up.
Obviously.
May allow Miss Zaina Angela to present the award. The winner will receive cash, certificate, token. Congratulations. Our first, listen, pag-amon na ang first runner-up. Okay, yes. Our first runner-up is candidate number. Who's your bet? Our first runner-up is candidate number. Candidate number 6. All the judges and counselors are being the judge of the ground. Receive cash, certificate, token, the judge. Congratulations. Then all the judges to present the award. Congratulations to our newly proclaimed first ever Miss ICCM 2025. And to everyone who Operation Mother of the top. Please continue thereafter.
Wow! Grabe! Okay, so congratulations to our 6 local candidates. Sabi mo yan, no? Diba? May winner again. Okay, so to the first Miss ICCM, congratulations. And then sa other ladies that I learned so sa dala na nag-effort, na talaga. Okay, sa dala na nag-support, sa mga counselors, sa mga makeup, they don't expect like this. Why kami nag-expect? They don't run away, ganyan ang performance. So, okay, so thank you so much, coordinators, judges, guests, include na nila katulad niya wala natitirin niya sa Francisco's, di ba? So, sa talang-talang needs, effort, hydrate. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward for more exciting
Next year.
Christmas 2026! Okay, wala pa tayo pagka winners kay wala sang nakapulit na luhaan. Everybody at home, their their prizes. So next term, depending, we will improve, depending sa sales naman, depending sa effort naman. So yung guys ko feel na hindi natin nahimo o hindi kita unified. Diba? Okay, so let's start! Cheers!
Cheers.
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, our OM.